Hi, I'm Miles Millen, and I'm a futures trader. For those of you who don't know what a futures contract is, a futures contract is a contract to buy or sell a commodity or a financial instrument or a precious metal or even a currency at a fixed price on a later date. Now, why would you want to do this, you ask? Well, you don't. But a futures contract is volatile and a highly liquid and leveraged tradable instrument. As futures traders, we aim to profit off of the volatility in futures contracts. Now, that may sound easy, but in reality, futures trading is a highly competitive world. Ever since the futures exchanges opened in Chicago in the early 1900s, late 1800s, somewhere around there. I don't really remember. I wasn't alive as long as this has been going on, but ever since man discovered that he could trade for a profit, it's been highly competitive. Any arena where big money is on the line, I think that you would be foolish to expect it to be easy. But it's not to say it's impossible, and it's not to say that you can't do it. I think anybody can become a good futures trader. So for those of you out there that already have a background in trading, this is my website, and I'm putting myself out here, so hopefully we can maybe come together and do good for each other. I've got things I work on. My expertise are the E-minis, S&Ps, the oil futures, as well as the wheat futures. I do some work with volatility, with VIX, the VIX futures, some VIX options. Net selling VIX options is kind of a side project of a friend of mine, and I, as far as equities, I don't really trade them anymore, but we are open to anything. Forex, not really a big fan. I see these scams like running rampant in the Forex community, and it's because you can open an account with $100 and be given 1,000 to 1 leverage. So of course there's going to be a lot of bullshit wrapped around that, and I mean, for me, sometimes I feel like it's hard to sift through it. It's a completely unregulated market. There's no order book for Forex. I'm kind of hands off with the whole currency thing. But again, I'm always open to look into things like that. Even Bitcoin would be interesting to take a look at. As far as what I offer here, besides just somebody to talk to about futures, I've been in the business for about 5 years now. Not as long as some, much longer than others. What I'll offer here for beginning people that want to get into trading, some courses for people that already have experience in trading. I've got an open email address. I'd love to talk to other traders. I've also got some products being offered, some quantitative analysis products. I do lately a lot of coding in Python with the Anaconda 2 Science Python library. So I'm always going through data and applying programming to look for edge. And some of that I'll make available, and I also will do freelance work upon request. If there's something that you want coded and back tested, perhaps go to the product section of my website, and you can go ahead and send me an email, and I will reply to you, and we can talk about maybe doing something like that together. So great, fantastic to meet you guys. Hope to hear from everybody soon. Whether you're a completely new to trading, experienced, or way even more experienced than I am, come one, come all. This is my spot. This is my little corner of the web. This is me. Drop me a line. Thanks.